guess who I'm with? Special guest. I'm with Steve POV.
Hello there. What's up, everybody?
Right, he has a Hoshi Japanese cafe.
Yeah, would you like to come inside?
I would like to come inside.
Oh, irashaimase. These are regulars who come, but this is our Japanese cafe. We have cute little characters that kind of remind me of the whole Luna theme on things. That's my thumbs up fortune cat right there. That little character.
I went to Japan and we tried to like tip them, and they were just like, no, don't do it.
No, God, please, no!
It's the services without the tip, and I wanted to replicate that here. So part of our thing was not only good food, but let's give good service too. Let's show people that people in America can provide really good service without taking more money out of somebody's pocket just for a tip. As you can see up there, smiles and thumbs up are 100% free in our cafes. So.
I can't wait to try all this stuff. And if you guys don't know who Steve is, then you guys have been living under a rock. He's a huge YouTuber, car scene, everything, and he speaks Japanese. Like a lot of his videos are also in Japanese. It's crazy to hear the Japanese and English switch up. Did you bring your car out here too?
I got my old Skyline in front, my 71, and in the meantime, I do want to show you what I do recommend.
Oh yeah, let's go.
I brought 2 new ones today.
Okay.
I brought yellow watermelon with pineapple.
Yeah.
Have you tried yellow watermelon?
I haven't tried it.
Yellow
Can I try
water.
that?
Hey, cheers.
Cheers to you.
Cheers.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I've never had a yellow watermelon, but this is good.
That's yellow watermelon, pineapple,
Yeah.
and lemon, and that's just it. No water, no sugar, no added anything.
Nice.
Like this. The little taiyaki, but ours are little ningyo-yaki. These are called pandas, and they're really cute and they're really, really delicious. These, which are called oban-yaki, which are sweet and some savory as well. And then we have great drinks. Keep killing it on your YouTube channel and with your racing and everything else. And we got to do another collaboration one of these days or something, Kelly.
Do an episode of your car.
Let's do it. I got a lot of cars in it. We live pretty close to each other too, I think. So you can come by.
Make it happen.
Thumbs up. Thank you.
All right, so we luckily got to bring my lunatic car. Ta-da! Rocky Mountain Race Week is coming up in literally like about a week, and we didn't want to risk like driving it from point A and B and getting in like a car crash. So the safest way to do that is trailering. So it's running and everything, but we had to trailer it out here. So that's pretty fun. At least it got to show up out here. We have Jason's new Porsche. So brand spanking new. Check out that color, guys. This is not a wrap. This is literally paint on his GT3 RS. It's so pretty. And we have Kevin's McLaren and Kenny's 720S. And Kevin's McLaren. Patrick's GTR right here. For those of y'all who don't know, he won Texas 2K last year and this year, so he's on a twofer, and I won the year before that, so I gotta catch up with him. But he brought his Altima. Okay guys, we are gonna go check out Steve's 2 GTRs. So Steve POV is a famous YouTuber, and check out his Skyline right here. This is so cool and rare, but very unique. POV, and like it's right-hand drive. And look at the mirror. The mirror is like all the way out here. That is so funny. It's like on the hood. I've never seen that before. And he also has his other GTR right here. It's giving Fast and the Furious. Okay, so these cars are also gonna be at GTR Festival. So GTR Festival is pretty much like a Texas 2K, and you guys gotta save the date, November 15 through 17, and we're all racing kind of like the same guidelines as Texas 2K and Ennis, Texas Motorplex. But if you guys want to go save the date, we're going to be out there racing, making the cars go faster. Hopefully I'll be hitting those 7s again for y'all. I'm here with Andrew, founder of GTR Festival. So I am like so excited to race. Like I heard so much good things about it.
I heard you want to race me.
Oh, your car is so crazy too. You got to tell everybody the whole whole thing about GTR Festival, how it came into fruition, how you brought it down to Texas, like, because it's from Australia, guys.
I've been a GTR nut since I got into cars, so since '99, and then obviously got one for our channel. I've always been biased, so everyone knows I'm a GTR nut. And then I one day just went, I need a GTR Festival in Australia. I have to do it. So 2016 was the first one. It was only like 150 cars, 1,000 people. It rained, and it's just grown and grown and grown until this year in Australia it was 12,000 people, 750 cars over 2 days. International guests were there, like people coming from all over the world now. We had people come from England and Florida and Norway. And so it's a big event. And then one day I just went, I want to do it in America. And you know the American dream, right? So
Yes.
came last year, Kenny will tell you, I just went up and just met every GTR owner and said, I got an idea, what do you think? Got good feedback, got good response. So I said, all right, let's try and put it on in 2024. And the Chosen is the place to be. So I checked out, obviously, LA, I checked out Florida, checked out here, and basically after looking everywhere, I went, we're coming to Texas. Now we're doing it, November 15th to 17th. Got cars coming from Australia. We've got cars coming from all the East Coast, upstate New York, Canada, Seattle, LA, everywhere. We got like GTR fans coming from England, South Africa, Germany, Finland, everywhere. So
Literally worldwide.
roll racing on Friday, drag racing Saturday, Sunday, fireworks Saturday night, and a laser show. It's going to be kids' rides. We have a kangaroo there for you to pet.
A kangaroo.
Yeah, we're bringing a kangaroo. We're bringing a cute kangaroo. Kids' rides. It's a festival. There's a show and shine. There's a car meet for any Nissan. So any Nissan can roll in.
God.
Car meet. There's an elite car show. Unveiling. We've got like 70, we're up to like 60 or 70 vendors now. But we got Hiroshi Tamura, the father of GTR, is coming to this. Sakamoto-san's bringing 2 garage active cars.
Oh, cool. He signed my engine.
Yeah, Dan Rue's coming. I've got to make sure I race him and beat him. Guys from Throttle are coming. Hoonigan, Gary King Jr.'s coming. Hurt's coming. He might bring T-Pain. We'll see what happens. The guys from Speed Academy are meant to be coming. Tommy Affair's coming. That racing channel's coming.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, there's
so
a lot.
it's the whole roster. It's like a celebrity roster. You gotta save your date, November 15th through 17th. Coming to Texas from Australia.
It's gonna be good.
Let's look at the other cars, y'all. So this is primarily a Nissan car meet. All of these are pretty much Nissans, Skylines, GTRs, just so unique. So this one's a Skyline GTR too. Very retro. And here's the R32 Skyline. This is like the parents of my car. This is where it came from. It's all like right-hand drive too. And here is Tony and Patrick.
We're trying to figure out if this is a GTR or if this is just like a GTT.
Well, that's a GTR right there.
Well, you know, it's badged GTR, so you assume it's a GTR. But on the other hand, if you buy like an R34 GTT, you can get those for like 30-something thousand. They're like super cheap.
Oh, really? But
it's not
the
a GTR.
shape and everything looks the same.
Generally, like some body paint.
Ooh, how do you tell?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Okay, how can you guys tell? Because they look exactly the same, and the range is from like 30,000 to like 200,000. Okay, can we get a moment for Patrick's MAGA shirt right here? And
We're making Ultimos great again.
it's not political, y'all. It's make Altimas great again. Okay, this is like literally the winner of Texas 2K 2 years in a row with his Altima. Okay, where can they get your merch?
You can get it at the shop. Visit
At
Joe
the
Tech.
shop, at Joe
Joe Tech
Tech.
has it. Swing by Joe Tech, let us know, we'll ship it to you.
Email Tony.
Tony.
I'm gonna show you this cute, these little bears. It's like the Tayakis. But
You guys want these
they're-
encounter seats? Go
They're little cute bears. Look at that. And there's Nutella on it. I just got Tony. It's so hard. Look at that. I'll show you all the yellows up. This is how the pandas are made right here. So cute. Look at how cute the swallows. Yeah, check out this matcha ice cream. All right, guys, that wraps it up here at the car show. And it was so cool to see the Hoshi Japanese Cafe. You guys have to check that out too. And come to GTR Festival. That's coming up too. Get your tickets. So we'll wrap it up. And we got this super cute pink aesthetic watermelon logo too. And also make sure to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.